Hey creatives! Welcome back to CreArtiPen Studio. Finished editing in Canva, let's turn it into an interactive ebook you can flip through in minutes. My design is ready. Now let's turn it into an interactive flipbook using Heyzine. First, download as PDF standard or PDF print and make sure all pages are selected. Go to heyzine.com. Upload your PDF and it instantly becomes a clickable page flip ebook. You can customize it. Here, you can select what type of page effect you want. It's free to use, you can customize it, and when you're done, just copy the link and send it to your friends. And that's how you turn your Canva design into an interactive flipbook for free. Follow CreArtiPen Studio for more quick and creative design tips.